Hello, you're looking at a Strapex strapping machine brought to you by Lanco. This is a tabletop semi-automatic unit. This uses a 3/8 wide polypropylene strap. You can see we have the strap coil underneath. This is a model ES102. You can see the controls here. It does have adjustments for the length, which is your feed length. Also has adjustment for the tension that it straps. That's the manual adjustment knob. Here's the indicator. You can run a multitude of different packages or bundles as long as they fit on top here. Again, this is a Strapex tabletop semi-automatic strapping machine brought to you by Lanco. This is a 110 volt unit. And we currently have a box up here. We will now operate it for you. Very easy to operate. Take the strap, fold it over the box, load it in, and it automatically feeds it. Very nice strap weld there. If you're interested in this tabletop semi-automatic strapper, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300. Also, if you're looking for any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.